Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MediaPad T5, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device in order to remove the screen lock. So, as you can see right here, there is a screen lock, and assuming we don't know the passcode to it, to remove it, all we need to do is hold the power key and then select power off. Now wait for the device to shut off, and then once it has, we're going to hold volume up and power key. So power key, volume up simultaneously. And you can let go once you see the HUAWEI logo. Yeah, so from here, just gonna flip it over. You can see we have a couple options: reboot system now, wipe data, and wipe cache. All we need to do is select wipe data, factory reset, and then type in yes, as you can almost see on the message. So if I flip it back, you can see the message. So you need to just type in yes, and then select wipe data, factory reset, and once more, tap right here, and the process will begin. So I'm just gonna put it back. Now once it's finished, all we need to then tap on is reboot system now, and the process will continue then in the background. Yeah, so just tap on reboot system now and let the process continue in the background. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as you like. So I'm just gonna go through the setup process fairly quickly. Let's just tap on I agree. And as you can see, now the device is fully reset and there is no more screen lock. So if I unlock it, you can see that there is no more screen lock. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.